Welcome to Sunrise Ford in 100 Mile House, where we treat every customer like family. We take pride in being an integral part of our community, actively supporting local events and charities to enhance the quality of life in the area. At Sunrise Ford, our commitment to exceptional value sets us apart. We guarantee the best price on every vehicle, providing you with the highest quality at competitive rates. Our extensive inventory features the latest new Fords, alongside a wide selection of reliable used vehicles, all meticulously inspected to meet our high standards. Our dedicated team of professionals is here to provide you with unparalleled service and expertise, ensuring you leave with a vehicle that suits your needs perfectly. Visit Sunrise Ford today and discover why we're more than just a dealership. Experience the difference of a family-oriented approach to customer service, where you're not just a customer, you're part of the family.